Hello friends, welcome in our new update. I have created a very low cost home delivery model which is very useful for those who wants an online platform what doesn't want to do additional expenses. This system doesn't need any laptop and can be controlled by your mobile phone only. This system is well tested and running perfectly with the handling of approximately 1000 liters of milk and milk products delivery to approximately 400 consumers on daily basis. Our system was created on Google Form and Excel sheets, which I will tell you step by step. So, for demonstration, we are taking two mobile phones, one consumer mobile phone and second shopkeeper mobile phone. Now, let's move to the consumer mobile phones and see how we will perform. So this one is the consumer mobile phone, and to start the process, first what will we do? Our shopkeeper will send a WhatsApp message to the consumer where he will tell their complete details, the system, who is the contact person, what is the address, and in the bottom he will give a link which will be a Google form link, and for placing the order, customer has to click this Google form link. Once customer is clicking this link, he will direct it to the Google form and a new window will appear which will be the Google form created by the shopkeeper. And see, in this Google form he has to place in their order. For placing the order, first thing that he will do, he will write their email address. Email address will be customer email address. On this email address, he will also get an email from the shopkeeper after confirming their order. Now, suppose I am writing here log to success@gmail.com. It's a customer email address. We will see after submitting whether we are getting the email or not. Now customer will write their name. Suppose the customer is Spurs and he is writing his name, Spurs. Now contact number, here he will write his contact number. His contact number is 9321678 and 967. Okay, now he will write their building name. Suppose his building name is Viva, so we are going to their building name. Suppose we are choosing their building name is Aqua. Okay, and now after building name he will choose their Bing. Suppose Bing is weaving. Now the flat number, suppose his flat number is 201, he will write their flat number, and then he will choose what product he is needed. Here is a complete list of the product where a number of product can be added on Google form. Suppose he want one ice cream of Choco Fudge, so he will choose one. Then if he has to choose after ice cream, there are a number of variants. Then if we want to choose in shuffle green peas, he will choose one. After that, if we want to choose one rasgulla, then he will choose that one. Now coming to the milk, if you want a ultra milk, he will write to 2 liter, he will choose 2 liter FCM, ultra milk. Then if you want curd, he can choose curd. And in the last, in the bottom, there is an option called submit. He will submit to place their order, he will submit. After submitting the button, he will get the message, your intent placed successfully, please check your mail for the confirmation. Now we move on to the mail window and see whether the person is getting the email or not. Okay, now coming to customer mail window, let's check. Yes, we have got the email, and by checking the email we will find mail ID is correct, name is correct, number is correct, flat number is correct, and here is a complete screenshot of the order placed by the customer. Now let's move on to the shopkeeper mobile phone window, and let's see what action he will take. Now on shopkeeper part, he will use two Excel files. First file for receiving the customer order, which is connected to the Google form, and we call it response file. Second file will be used for generating customer bill copy, and we will call it order confirmation file. So first we will talk about response file. So let's move on to our response file. This is our response file. I'm just making a zoom here. Yes, now you can see whatever the customer has ordered, it immediately reflects in our response file, and you can see the whole details are available here, whatever customer is placed. Now what we will do, we will just copy this entire row. Just you can say, now the row is being copied, and we will use it in generating the customer bill. Okay, now the work of our first file is completed. Now we will move to our second file, and that file is order confirmation file. Yes, it's our order confirmation file. Yes, now what we have to do here, first in date column, I am making a zoom here. Okay, now you can see in date column, first we have to write the date for which we have to generate the bill copy. Then what we will do, whatever we have copied from the response file, we will just paste it here. So as you can see on cell A3, we will just paste it out. Now we have pasted our entire order here, and see what will happen. Now we'll move to our sheet order confirmation. Here you can see our order confirmation file is ready. Actually customer bill is ready. Here you can check date is correct, mail ID is correct, name is correct, his building name, contact number, BIN number, and flat number, or in the last the total item details, all are correct. We will just do one thing, we will take the screenshot. Yes, we have taken that screenshot, and now the WhatsApp number that the customer has provided, we will just send this confirmation file to him. It will act as a bill copy. So we move to WhatsApp. This is a customer WhatsApp, and what we will do here, we will just paste the screenshot that we have taken. First we have to adjust it, the boundaries. Yes, now our file is ready, and we will just send it. Look what beautiful, a bill has been generated, customer has received the bill. Now what happened, first customer ordered through our Google form, we have received the order in response file. From response file we have copied and pasted in order confirmation file. From there we have generated the bill copy, and then we have shared the bill copy to the consumer. Now consumer will pay according to this bill, and we will deliver as per our commitment to the consumer. So this is done from my side. So how was the system developed by me? Please share your comments, and thanks for giving your time and watching the whole video. Thank you very much. Thank you.